Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. If you use Microsoft Edge and want better privacy, you might not want your browsing history, cookies or cached files to stay saved after you close the browser. The good news is that Microsoft Edge allows you to automatically clear browsing data every time you close the browser. In this video, I will show you step by step how to enable this feature on Windows 11 or Windows 10. So let's get started. First open Microsoft Edge browser, then click on the triple dot menu in the top right corner. In the drop down menu, select settings. Under Edge settings, select privacy, search and services in the left sidebar. On the right, you will find clear browsing data. Click on this. Here, click on this. Choose what to clear every time you close the browser. Click on this one. After that, here you will find several options such as browsing history, download history, cookies and other site data, cached images and files, site permissions. Turn on the toggle next to items that you want to close and that you want to erase when you close the Edge browser. Just turn on the toggle switches. That's it. Now every time you close Microsoft Edge, it will automatically removes the selected browsing data from your computer. This is a simple and effective way to improve your privacy, especially if you share your PC with others or use a public computer. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to GearUpWindows for more Windows and browser tips. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.